Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and explain to you. This video is for groups 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you're not in group 2, 4, 3, and 5, you need to scan the other QR code. This QR code is for groups 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? If you're in this QR code, or if you're in this group, you're going to go to Google Classroom, so you need your Chromebook, your pencil, and a mask. You're going to be sitting here at the center and you're doing your research project about Dr. Seuss. Now we're doing this project about Dr. Seuss because it is Dr. Seuss week and we're learning all cool things about Dr. Seuss this week. So to get to Google Classroom, I'm going to show you the quick way to get there. You're going to go to Clever, you're going to click the red and box down here at the bottom. Then when you get to Google Classroom, it looks like this. And you know you're in the right place because you see my Bitmoji drinking my coffee, going across the classroom. You're going to click the one that starts with a C where it says classwork. You're going to scroll down to reading down here at the bottom. And you're going to click the Dr. Seuss book. It's going to read you a book, and it's also an AR book. So after you finish reading the book and after you have done your paper, which we're going to talk about in just a minute, you may take the AR test. The AR test code will be written on the board, okay? So when you get your paper, after you listen to the story, when you get your paper, you're going to list 3 facts about Dr. Seuss in these bubbles right here. Make sure when you write your sentences, they are a complete sentence. For example, Dr. Seuss was a famous writer, period. I'm going to make sure I have a capital letter in the beginning of my sentence for Dr. Seuss. I'm going to make sure that I have finger spaces, and I'm going to make sure that I have a period at the end of it because it's a complete sentence, okay? And you're going to list 3 of them. You're going to come to the center twice. So the first day, you're doing this and taking the AR test. The second day, you're doing, let me turn to it, hold on. You're doing this page. And on this page, you're writing your favorite fact about Dr. Seuss, and then you're going to draw a picture of it, okay? Same rules apply. Capital letters, punctuation, and finger spaces. If you need help with punctuation and capital letters, there is an anchor chart for both of those. The punctuation one's on the board. The capital letters one is on the wall. All right. So you're doing this. Once you're done, you're going to bring it to me as long as I do not have friends at my table. If I have friends at my table, then you put them in your red folder. You get on Lexi if you have not met your goal, and you sit quietly until my friends have left my table, and then you'll bring it to me, okay? Get to busy. Have fun, and do your best work. Bye, guys.